Hello students, in this video I'm going to discuss how bubble sort can be implemented with different programs in a different manner. How you can make small changes in the concept, not in the actual concept, but yes, few steps can be changed to implement the bubble sort in different manner. But before moving ahead, I would suggest you all to please do watch my previous video of the bubble sort where every single thing has been discussed properly and in great detail. All right, so that we could learn it faster and in a better way. Now let me read the program first. Write a program in Java to input names of 5 students and input their marks too. So first task to input the data into the array for of size 5 for the student's name and the other array for the marks of the student. Two arrays are required in this program. So immediately when you read the program, you draw conclusion what is supposed to be done and then sort the names of the students in the ascending order. So sorting has to be done using the bubble sort. So bubble sort is a technique and marks too must be arranged. So marks will be arranged as per the sorting which has been done with the names array. Okay, must be arranged and marks too must be arranged as per the order of the names of the students. That is what is required. Now students, we have here input. Names are Raghav, Manikant, Arvind, Joby and Bunty. Marks are here 100, 99, 97, 98 and 99. Now the names are going to be sorted. So after sorting, names are Arvind, Bunty, Joby, Manikant, Raghav and their marks are now 97, 99, 98, 99 and 100. They have been sorted or arranged as per the sorting of the names. You can see here we can check the Arvind's marks. Arvind's marks, third marks was 97. Or Raghav was 100, so Raghav is 100. So now you can see Raghav is 100 and Arvind is 97. Okay, so marks too have been shifted as per the names. Now let's start the bubble sort. So we need a scanner class, so we need to import the util package of the Java. So import java.util.asterisk semicolon. We need to write the logic into the function and function will be kept into the class. So we design a class here, public class program. We can keep the name bubble sort also here, not a problem. Then public static void main string args, right? So string args square bracket can be this side, square bracket can be after the args, not a problem. After that we have to make arrangement for storing the names of 5 students and marks of 5 students. So two arrays have been declared and created. So we have got first array string n square bracket equal to new string 5. So data type array name square bracket to denote it's an array equal to new string square bracket 5. So this is the size of the array. String is again the data type. So same thing is with the second array. The name here is m. There for the name array was n and data type is here int for the marks and data type for the names array is string. Now we have created the array. After that students, I need to perform the input. I have taken the variable I for that, for the loop variable, and then ij will also be used for the sorting, right? And then temp is here to swap the integer data which is the marks, and string str is there to swap the strings. Okay, you all know the fundamentals of the bubble sort. So compare and swap is the basic idea of the bubble sort. So after that we are creating the object of the scanner class. So scanner sc equal to new scanner system dot in. After that names, enter the names. The students, after that there is int. So int has already been I has already been declared. So int is not required to be repeated. So just I have written I assignment operator 0, I less than n dot length, I plus plus. Reason is we have to input the data for all the indices of the array n. So when the size is 5, so index numbers will be 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4, not 5. Okay, because we begin with 0. So less than length means not n dot length is 5 here. So less than n dot length means 4. So 0 to 4 this loop will work, and loop variable is representing here the index, and then n of I is written here, n of I, uh, and then after that the input function for inputting the name, that is sc dot next line. the curly brace is closed. This task of inputting the name is over. After that we enter the marks. So message is there on the screen, enter marks. Then again the loop I equal to 0, I less than m dot length, because this time the length of the marks array I plus plus. Then here I have written m of I equal to st dot next int. So both the arrays, data has been entered. After that we begin sorting. So sorting, bubble sort, I have already told you. Outer loop is for the passes. That always works n minus 1 time, or the size minus 1 time. So we begin with 0. So it is here I less than n dot length minus 1. Okay, because we need to work only 4 times. So 0, 1, 2 and 3. So if we have got 5 here, so it will work 5 times, because I less than 5 means 4. So 0 to 4 it will work. That is why minus 1 is also there and less than is also there. When we write less than n dot length minus 1, that means n dot length is 5, 5 minus 1 is 4, and less than 4 means 3. So 0 to 3 this loop will work. That means 4 time outer loop, which is meant for passes, will work. After that, students, we have got for j equal to 0, j less than n dot length minus I minus 1. Students, please, again I am telling you, do watch my previous video so that you could understand these loops in a better way. This loop is meant for compare and swap, right? And when we compare the data in the bubble sort, if we are at the index 3 and we want to compare 4, so automatically that will be compared, because I have already written here n of j dot compared to n of j plus 1. So if you are at 3, j plus 1 will make it 4. So automatically it will be compared. So we never try to reach to the last index of the array, because in this the size of the array is 5. So if we take this loop up to 4, then 4 will access 5. That means that index doesn't exist. So there will be a runtime error. Array index out of bounds. So please avoid that. In order to avoid that, we have to write less than, and here minus 1 will also be there. One more thing is there, students, that every time I have to reduce our area of compare and swap, because with every pass the biggest element, if we are doing in the ascending order, so we'll say the biggest element will be reaching its proper destination. That is why minus I and then minus 1 is equally important. All right, this is the most important area of the bubble sort. So please take care of that, and there also you take care of this thing, that less than and minus 1 both will be there, because many books have given it wrong. So please take care of that. Now here you look at the condition. We have to compare two strings here. So I have to write n of j dot compare to n of j plus 1 greater than 0. And here you can see the steps for the swapping. So first we have to swap. When the above condition is true, means first element is bigger than the second, or first string is bigger than the second, then we have to perform swapping of the names first. So str equal to n of j, and n of j equal to n of j plus 1, then n of j plus 1 equal to str. Now the swapping of names have been done. Now as per the names, we have to change the order of the marks also. So temp equal to m of j equal to m of j plus 1, then m of j plus 1 equal to temp. So swapping has been done for the marks also. After that we close 3 curly braces, one for the condition, if, then the other for the inner loop for the compare and swap loop, and then outermost loop that is meant for the passes. After that, student, we simply print the sorted data in the ascending order. You can see the statement here, the loop, where same loop has been used here, which was used for input. So I0, I less than n dot length, I plus plus, and then we print the names, and then we print the marks. So name and marks will be printed, name of the student, then marks, name of the student, then marks. So after that, students, we simply close the curly brace of this loop, then function, and then class. This program is over. I hope everybody has understood it well. Now, students, after that, we have to write the above program to sort the data in the descending order. Now, what changes are required? Same program is there, right? All the things are same. The only area where I have to make the change is with the compare to function. So n of j dot compare to n of j plus 1. This time it will be less than 0. There it was greater than 0, because when the first string is bigger than the second, then we put greater than 0. But when the first string is smaller than the second one, right? So in that case, we have to write what? Less than 0. And then same steps for swapping, same step for swapping of the name, same step for the swapping of the marks. Only changes in this area. Please take care of that. Students, after that, we'll display the data as we have done in the previous program. Now one more format. Now the above program with the ascending order, sorting of the marks. Ascending order में आप कैसे करेंगे किसको, marks को, and then arrange the names as per the order of the marks. Two changes are there. One, the data has to be sorted in the ascending order. Which data? Marks. And now names are going to be arranged as per the marks. Just opposite. So now everything is same. Name is bubble sort. Main function to input the data. Import statement is very much there. After that, two arrays of size 5. Whatever the size given in the paper, you have to just follow that. And then I0, J0, temp0, all the things are same. String str, then scanner, enter the data for the first array, that is for the name, and enter the data which is there for the marks. Marks and names are entered. Now we have the loop here. This time in the loop, what is the change? Instead of n dot length minus 1, this time the name of the array has been changed because we are sorting the marks first. So m dot length minus 1. There also m dot length minus I minus 1. So instead of n, we are having now m. Now here we write instead of compare to function, because now what we are doing, we are comparing the integers. So integers are never compared using any function like compare to or equals, because they are meant for the string. So here plain statement will be there, m of j greater than m of j plus 1. So in the ascending order we are doing, so greater than m of j plus 1 is there. Students, after that we have just done what? We have swapped, okay, first the marks and then we have swapped the what? Names, right? And after this we can simply print the data, sort the data in the ascending order, that will be printed. Same loop for the input, same loop is here. All right everyone. Now suppose in the question it has been asked the print the 3 students with the maximum marks. So maximum marks, since the data is in the ascending order, so last 3 students in the array are going to have the maximum marks. So last 3 index, when the array size is 5, will be 2, 3 and 4. So we have initialized the loop variable with 2, which will go up to 4, because less than n dot length it is there, and then I print the name and the marks. All right, this is the way. So different types of questions can be asked, but the basic concept is same. Few changes here and there, and you can do that program. Thanks everyone.